Will AI replace UI UX designers? Create a landing page that collects email addresses for people interested in my dog training service. Dark mode, sans serif fonts, responsive mobile, tablet, and desktop. Whew! Oh my God, at the moment, no. But since the release of ChatGPT, I'm thinking it's a real possibility, perhaps as soon as a few years. Now, to clarify, I think there's always going to be jobs for UI UX designers, but I believe much of it will be automated with the help of AI. Now, I'm not going to pretend to be some machine learning AI expert, but imagine issuing a prompt like this. Design a mobile app for my daily fitness tracker service. Here are all of its features, and I want to maximize the conversion rate for free membership signups. So first off, imagine with OpenAI's ChatGPT, it can now harness that power and crank out awesome ad copy. Imagine if this particular AI was trained on CRO data, conversion rate optimization data. Every web page has a purpose, and CRO experts come in and they make changes to any number of areas in order to get people to sign up or complete an objective as fast as possible. Having that data would then allow the AI to produce a result that includes the best IA, informational architecture, the best ad copy, the best UI design fundamentals such as color schemes, proximity, white space, all that good stuff I talk about often, and it spits it out to you in the form of a high fidelity mockup, or even better, it spits it out to you as a deployable actual website. So yeah, it's sort of like a double-edged sword. It is worrisome if we're talking about job availability in the future, but it's also pretty awesome for somebody who wants to build a website rapidly and not have to worry about all of those fundamentals that go into making a successful website. So what does this all mean? Does this mean that you shouldn't become a UI UX designer, especially if you're new to the field? Certainly not, because as I said at the beginning of this video, I don't believe it's going to replace all UI UX design jobs. It's simply going to mean this: you have to be the best you can be. You need to be the Swiss Army knife of UI UX as much as possible. So use the potential threat of AI to really get serious. Don't slack off. Watch all of my videos. No, there's tons of other videos and resources from which you can learn. And trust me, if you have a knack for this and you're serious about this, AI shouldn't be a huge threat to you personally in the future, as long as you take it serious and you really work at your craft. So I'm interested to know what you guys think here in the comments. Let's get a discussion going here in the comment section. Do you really think that AI will be a threat to UI UX designers? Let me know. I'll see you all soon. Make sure to subscribe, and goodbye.